Hey guys, I'm Abby.
And I'm Stacey.
And we are back! This time, we've been hearing weird noises in our house. And I mean, she doesn't live with me because she's my cousin, but whenever she's over, there's always weird noises. And we always think it's like my brother pranking me, but it turned out it's not. Like, it's really creepy. We were hearing knocking earlier, weren't we?
Yeah.
It's like banging and everything, and it was so weird. So today, we're going to be investigating it when it goes dark. But we'll see when it goes dark, and we'll go on an investigation. What the fuck? What the heck? Someone's calling us. What the heck? What the hell was that? Okay guys, it is officially dark. We are going to go exploring outside. We're gonna go prepare the outside. Okay, so we are outside. It's not too dark, but it's just starting to get dark. So we'll probably stay out here until it gets a bit more darker to make sure we catch something. Okay guys, we are back. It is officially dark.
We just heard a really weird noise.
What the fuck? We just heard that. Did you guys hear that? What the fuck? I think there's actually something out here. Look around your camera, bro. What the fuck is that? Hell no! Hell no! But we came back inside and like our dog is like freaking out and like we heard like banging on our windows. It was really weird. Like it wasn't even like normal banging. It was like they were trying to open our window. It was really fucking scary. Like, see, now she's freaking out. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What the heck? What the heck? Someone's calling us. What the heck? What the fuck?
I'm outside your window.
What the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? What the heck? What the hell was that? Someone's knocking at our window. What the hell? What the hell? What? It's been like 10 minutes since we heard the knocking at our window a second time after that call. And I just think that maybe we should end this video because like this has gotten way too scary for me. Like it's freaking the dog out, it's freaking like Stacey out, and it's freaking me out. Like it's freaking nearly everyone in my household out. It's so like whatever it is, it's so weird. Like whoever it is, what the heck? And it's like we live in an apartment, so it's like why would there be people banging on our window? It's just weird. But anyways guys, we're gonna end this video and we'll be back another time. Bye guys! Stop biting me! Stop! Stop! Ow! Ow! Can you stop eating my hand? I'm trying to make a video, buddy. Buddy, stop! What the heck? Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Cooking with Jakaya. Cooking with Jakaya.
I'll just make cobwebs ever. Oh, like some it's like bugs and shit. It's like beds for me. Bird! Bird!
Okay, so we're outside. Why are you doing that? What's wrong with this?
Sorry guys. Oh fuck. Oh, she's got away. Get out of the way, CJ! Run away. Run away, stop.